What's up guys? How you doing? Be sure to subscribe for more videos on beauty. It for today's video. Like seriously? They didn't have to do that on camera. Seriously.
Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.
Hey guys, what's up? What is going on? I was thinking my camera is not recording. Anyway, so yeah, here we are. So guys, what's going
What's
on?
poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in.
Or how is it sung? Yeah guys, so I don't know if I welcomed you back to my channel. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynette. In case you're new here, hi and welcome to the family. In case you're not subscribed, make sure you do so and don't forget to hit the post notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to put extensions on your natural hair. Extension on your natural hair. So guys, I have a bunch of extensions. I have this one that is quite similar to my hair. It's black and the texture is almost next to mine. For see, that is, I have this one, though I don't like it, to be honest. I don't like it. Just look at it. I mean, it's so advanced, as in advanced. I don't like it, long story short. And then there is this baby right here, guys. There is this baby right here. So I had done a video of how I did this, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago, but I've repeated it today. So in case you would like to see the process, you can watch the beginning part of the video. In case you're not interested in that, you're just interested in how to put an extension on your hair, then be my guest. So guys, I don't know where I will add that clip. I think to the end of the video or maybe to the beginning. I'm not sure again, but I think I'll not even add it. I'll just make it as a single video. I'll put it somewhere in this video. I don't know, but I think I'll put it somewhere. So guys, the extension that I'm going for today is this baby right here. Like I said, or maybe I didn't say it. So guys. Oh my gosh, so guys, yeah, I like the way it has curls. Can you see that, you guys? And then I like the way it's long and has a lot of hair. I mean, look at that. I love it. So guys, I don't know why I'm obsessed. I don't know why I'm obsessed with saying so, guys. Anyway, so guys, before putting on the extension, you have to like silk down your hair, put the bun into the exact place that you like your pony to be. So as for me, I would like my pony to be up high as possible. Hey, it looks funny. I think it's because I'm not wearing it. Hey, you cannot look funny, right? Hey, no. So like somewhere here. As you can see, my camera is changing the focus, but that's what I wanted to say. As you can see, I already look stunning. I mean, look at that. Plus a little bit of makeup on my face. I mean, who wouldn't want me? Away from that, you guys, so like I want to show you how to put this extension on. So the way this extension is made, you don't have the clips. There are extensions that have clips that you just hook them onto your head and you're good to go. But as for this one, it has strings to adjust. Similarly to this, you can adjust the strings to whatsoever size that will fit your hair. So I'm going to put on the long extension, but I'm just going to try out this one first. So you can see, I look like I have two heads. For this, I think the bun should not be this high, because if it is that high, then okay, I think it's still beautiful, but I would not prefer this one. So for this one, I think the bun can be high. For this one, I think the bun can be maybe here, so that it can look like exactly. You get the point. So guys, oh my gosh, Today I'm going to call you many times, so I hope that you'll hear what I'm saying. So after doing this, if you don't want this to be here, you can comb it and braid it, and then like use a rubber band, a small rubber band, to put it in place. So kuna wale wabarikiwa na nywele wale. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm so hyped. I'm so psyched and hyped up today. To prevent the black small rubber band from catching your hair, you can apply oil. There is no specific oil to apply. You can apply any oil that you want. I'm just going to apply the one which is just on my table. I see people applying coconut oil. You can apply any oil. Olive, coconut, sunflower, name it. And then you can just tie it like so. And then put it inside like that. As you can see, it has changed to me, but not that much, but it looks good. And then I'm going to go in with my extension. It looks shaggy. I don't know if I should comb it. Should I give it a little comb? What do you think? I think I'm just going to do this. Oh my god, they have really tied it. So I've opened it. These are the strings. The strings are stretching. So I think this base should be at the bottom. These strings, that is, and then so we're going to put it on like so, and then wow, I've completely changed. Anyway, from there you can tie the strings. Hey, the hair is all over my face. Oh yeah, you guys, let me tell you. And I wasn't sure about these strings. How can you put strings, the rubber strings, on an extension? I mean, seriously, it won't work out. Once you start tying the rubber, the strings will become loose, and then boom, you don't have an extension. Let's try that again. But I think you should tie it before wearing it, because this one is tricky, man. Tie it before you wear it. And I think again you should not tie it so tight, and then wear it maybe. So guys, that was all for today's video. The video is even not 10 minutes long. I mean, everything is just in order. So that's what we do. That's how you put on an extension. It's easy. It depends with what you have here, like not in your head, but what you have on your extension. If you have the hooks, you just hook them in your hair, and then like that's it. If you have the strings, you just adjust the strings to fit your small hair or big hair, and then you wear the extension. Exactly. So from there we're going to lay our edges. I'm just going to hold this here because it's all over my face right now. Like that, like that. Oh, my toothbrush is here. my trusty friend. So we're going to move on and lay our edges. I don't know if you'll see them. I really have thin edges. I'm on the hairline, I don't know. So again, I can't fetch the oil. I'm just going to take a little amount and put it behind my hand. Then I'm going to go in. I think I'll hold the mirror right here so that I can see what I'm doing. The focus in a change. Is this close enough? Can you guys see me? Oops. I like it when the mirror is this close to me so that I can see everything that I'm doing. But what about you guys? I have to consider you. I'm going to apply a little bit of makeup and then I'm going to be showing you to myself. I'm going to be showing myself to I'm going to be showing myself to you guys in about, okay, I don't take a lot of time doing makeup, I don't know, but I'll be here soon enough. Show you the end products. Hey, that focus, man, it's letting me down. Just going to brush and then can you guys even see what I'm doing? Should I turn out the lights? Hadi hakuna change. Mama mnaona change? Sioni. So can you see that my hairline, my my hairline is thin, so you can see my edges well, but they are really pretty. Oh my gosh, if I could really take you really close, you could see them, you could see the difference. I'm going to do the other side really quick and then boom, photo session and makeup. So as long as I live, I love you. This day I'll cherish. I feel like a bride. I mean, look at me. You look so beautiful in gray. And from now to my very last breath, this hair I'll cherish. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I focus. I'm trying to work on this hairline, the baby hairs, if I may call them that. I don't know why they're actually called baby hairs. Is it because the babies have them? Focus. Seriously. But I like that song, guy. You know, I'm used to like making videos of hair when and then I do a voiceover. I like that song by Westlife. Beautiful in white, but mine was beautiful in gray. And from now to my very last breath, this hair I'll cherish. Oh my gosh, so like guys, I think that's it for today's video. Like seriously, they didn't have to do that on camera. Seriously, you guys, like I said, I don't recommend you buying extensions that have rubber. Can you see this stretching effect? It's really poor. I'm just going to pop that back in. How do you even work out? Okay, I think you can use bobbin pins, but then there is oh yeah, if your extension does not have the clips, those clips, it has like the clips look like a comb and then they are slightly thin. You can use bobbin pin. Just insert the bobbin pin there and boom. I think I'm going to do that right now. So yeah, let me like apply a little bit of makeup on my face, a little bit of lipstick, take some photos, and then we'll be good to go. Otherwise, comment on the comment section if you like that extension and which extension you have in your house places. But why do you prefer extensions to your natural hair? Simple. I like the touch that it adds to me, the long hair effect. Oh my gosh, I don't have long hair, but here we are. Anyway guys, if you like the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment in the comment section, and if you like this video, that is comment on the comment section if you like this video, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye, till next time. By the way, don't forget to share this video. In case you liked it, share it to your friends. Get me some subscribers, girl, boy, whatsoever your gender is. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, I'm psyched up today.